Hai, di sini saya akan menyanyikan lagu Christina Aguilera yang berjudul Heart. Sometimes was day when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walked away. If only I know what I know today. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I will hold you in my arms. I will take the pain away. Thank you for all done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I want to do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I want to call you, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just call and do. And I hurt myself by hurting you. Sometimes I feel broke inside, but I wanna mean. Sometimes I just want to hide, 'cause you I miss. You know it's try to say goodbye, but it comes to this. Ooh, 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 yeah, yeah. Will you tell me I was wrong? Will you help me understand? Are you looking up for me? Are you proud of who I am? There's nothing I want to do. To have just one more chance to look into your eyes and see you looking back. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just call and do.